Out here, it's all about moving faster. The keys to success: perfect engineering and care of the equipment. So how do you engineer maintenance? No race is more demanding for a boat than the Volvo Ocean Race. The ship is engineered with just one goal in mind: speed. Stripped from everything that has no purpose, every part that breaks immediately causes a problem. So, anticipating possible defects, the sailors frequently check and replace the lines, winches and sails, even when that means climbing up the 30-meter high mast. Safety comes first, but every broken part should be repaired right on the spot, even if that is in the middle of the ocean. Only when the ship docks at the harbour, the shore crew takes over. They remove the algae to smooth up the surface, inspect the 4.78-meter-long keel, and completely disassemble the carbon fibre yacht. And that's how you engineer maintenance.